Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 3D modeling. Okay, so let's open our AutoCAD software. Firstly, I want to change this top view to southwest isometric view. By using the circle command, press enter, I create a circle starting from this center, then I put the radius 80. Press enter. Okay, next, I create a line starting from this center. Okay, this center until this intersection. Press enter. Then by using the polygon command, press enter. I put the number of sides 6, press enter. Then I press shift, right click, I choose nearest. Then I just click here. Then I choose inscribe in circle. I put the radius 10. Okay. So by using the extrude command, press enter. I click to this polygon, press enter, then put the height of intrusion 7. By using the array command, press enter, click to this polygon, press enter, I choose polar, then I click to this center, then I change the number of items from 6 to 8. Okay, so press enter. Next, I create a line starting from this point to this point, then press enter, then I click to this line and I bring this point here, this midpoint. Okay, then I click to this point, then I stretch until reach this intersection. Okay, then just remove this line. I create another circle starting from this center, then I put the radius 50, press enter. By using the offset command, press enter, I put the offset distance 3, then I click to this line, offset here, and I offset here. Okay, so I create a line starting from this point to this point. By using the copy command, I copy this line. Okay, click here, then by press shift, right click, I choose nearest, then I click this point. Okay, by using the trim command, press enter twice, I trim these lines and I just remove this line. Next, by using the join command, I'm going to join all of this line. Then this is a rectangle. Okay, so by using the extrude command, I extrude this rectangle upward with value of 30. Then by using the chamfer edge command, I click here distance, then I put the first distance 30, second distance also 30, then click to this edge, then press enter once again. Okay, so by using the array command, I click to this object, press enter, I choose polar, then click to the center, then I change the number of items to 4. Press enter. By using the extrude command, press enter, I click to this circle, then I put the height of intrusion is 30. Then by using the extrude command, I extrude this circle downward with value of 20. Then just copy this cylinder like this. Okay. Then I copy this cylinder once again. Okay, like this. I copy up here. Okay, so now I click to this cylinder, then I click to this arrow. Okay, then I put the height for extrusion is 380. Okay, by using the line command, press enter, I click to the center, then I put the distance 90. Okay, then create another line, click to the center, then I put the value 90. Okay, so by using rectangle command, I trace this point like this and this point like this. Then I put the dimension 180, negative 180. Then just remove these lines. By using the extrude command, I extrude this rectangle upward with value of 180. Then I bring this UCS, okay, I bring this UCS here, okay, here, like this, okay, I bring to this, to the center of this rectangle. Then by using the circle command, press enter, I put coordinate 0, 0, press enter, then I put the radius 80, press enter. Then by using the extrude command, I extrude this circle into to the front with value of 30. Then create another circle with value of 70. Extrude to the front with value of 30. Then create another circle like this. I put the value 40. Then extrude to the front, okay, with value of 70. Okay, you can press shift and middle mouse button to rotate this object. Then by using the circle command, I click circle here, then I put the value 60. Then extrude to the front with value of 30. Then create another circle starting from the center. I put 30. Then extrude to the front with value of 20. By using the line command, press enter. I press shift, right click. I choose mid between 2 points. Then I click to this point and this point. Okay, I just click here. Then I create a circle with radius of 25. By using the sweep command, press enter. I click to this circle and this line. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, maybe we can change the radius like this. Okay. Okay. Alright, so you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to mirror this object, okay, by using mirror command. Okay, click to this point. Okay, like this. Okay. By using the okay, now I'm going to put this UCS up here. By using the mirror command, press enter. Select this object, press enter, then I click to this midpoint, then click here. Okay, so by using the sphere command, okay, I click to the center of this rectangle like this. Then I put the radius 70. Okay, by using the line command, I click to this center, then I just click here. I create a circle, then I just sweep this circle to this line. Okay, so done with our 3D modeling. Thanks for watching my video. So all the best. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials and update. Thank you.